The show we just had, Life Goes On, at the Theatre Club, Babane, Eswazini, well, Kingdom of Eswatini. It's just been so exciting. The audience was great, nice, sold the show. It supports isijabulisile kakhulu, and abantu bahlekile from Singena, saze saphuma. We all played our part. We delivered as we promised ukuthi sizohlekisa, sahlekisa. We are quite aware ukuthi abantu abaningi abantu abahlekisana nabo babahlekisi. So we did their job tonight, and it's so nice to see progress with comedy industry, because we had 3 females and 1 male. Usually they have 1 female and kugcwala amadoda kwi-line up, because some people still believe ukuthi abantu besifazana bahlekisi. So it was so nice to see a successful comedy show with a lineup of majority of women, and people had fun. Nobody has asked for their money back. People are still hanging around. People really had fun. People laughed,
which is what we came for. This is my first time in Eswatini, and one of my concerns was if Bazos understand a nice Xhosa, and to my pleasant surprise, I didn't have to switch to English. I stuck to Xhosa, and the audience loved it. The love that Eswatini has showed me has been immense. Like Thenjiwe said, from start to finish, and it was wonderful. I'm looking forward to being here again. It's just been great. Yeah, man.
and it was also so nice to be able to have more than 1 female sharing a stage with Umendi, because Umendi is the only female comedian lana Swazini. So it was nice for her to be with other. I wish she was here for the interview, but she's just gone somewhere. But it was so nice for her to be able to perform with other females, because she's usually just performing with Amadod, just performing with Amadod. So I'm sure she enjoyed it. I don't even need to ask her. I know that she enjoyed it. So the growth is good and the support has been amazing, and we just plan to keep on growing. And Umdura naye delivered Gamnandi. So we are happy.
Yeah, there isn't anything negative about the entire experience. It's been amazing. Seriously, for us to be here, especially on Women's Month, and then we have a lineup of 3 females and then 1 guy. The show was a true representation of Women's Month, and it was amazing. It was great. Bekumnandi, like Thenjiwe said, abantu basela baphandle, we've been taking pictures. No one asked for their money back because they had fun. People were rolling on the floor with laughter, which is why we came here.
And also, I would like to see more growth. Kungabi ukuthi people only remember ukuthi they are funny women when it's August, because August is our Women's Month. That's when people, which is why I don't do those lineups. But it could have happened even in March. It didn't happen just because it was August, because we are funny. 12 months of the year, we're not just funny 1 month. So don't just remember us when it's Women's Month. We are funny throughout the year. I know a lot of guys who've been doing comedy for years, they've not been funny yet. So don't undermine us. Being a female doesn't mean I can only be funny in August.
Yeah, what she said, everything that she said. Silapa as women in the comic industry, and yeah, just so you know, people need to watch out. Women are here and women are funny throughout the entire year.
Nagokwenu yazi ukuthi ugogo wakho is funnier than umkhulu wakho. So masedliwa imali ningacabanga ukuthi only men will be leaders a comedy. We are here. That's the same thing they do as girls. We grow up kuyithe siphegayo. But when it comes to chef aba famous abenza imali, how sekungamadoda manje. We are stopping that. We are here, and we are here to be professional comedians.
Yes, we're here to stay, we're here to be professional, we are here to make people laugh.
And don't make a mistake of calling us comedians, because when I was a lawyer, nobody ever called me a lawyeress. When you become a doctor, nobody says you are a doctress. We are comedians, not comedians, because we are funny, if not more funny than most of the men. So, Mandy, we were just talking about you. Please come and join us. How was your experience of sharing the stage with other female performers? Because you are here as the only female comedian and you are not used to sharing the stage with women. How was your experience?
For once, I got to perform with other women, you know, like performing with people locally over idolize. I would say, wow, if only I can be like her. And now you're sharing stage with them. Yo, it was a wonderful it was a wonderful. I had the time of my life on stage. I had the time of my life. Ngabe ngiqambe manga. Like this man, guys, we're taking over.
You need to sit up and pay attention.
We're taking over. We're taking over, ne?
Yeah, thank you to everyone who supports our work. Thank you to everyone who follows us wherever we go to perform, especially to people who buy tickets without asking for a discount.
Yes.
We really appreciate
Without
your
asking to
support.
be on the guest list.
And thank you to everyone who put the show together. Everyone from the sound guy to the light guy to the whomever, to the organizers of the show. I really want to say thank you because it was a wonderful experience.
Even the cleaner.
The cleaner, Luciso Zokola Autopis after the show. Thank you to her as well. Shopping.
They did not pay for the tickets. That's what Coca after the show. Tonight's gonna be Coca
Running. Ooh, siyapila sukala.